So over here you can see that I have a bunch of messages, and let's say I want to edit out those messages after I sent it. So you can easily do that as well. So even if you send some message by mistake, you can edit them later on. So over here you can see that I have a message that says please visit my YouTube channel. So I can simply go around and click on the more options, that is the three dot icon right here, and then click on edit to edit out the message right here. So over here you can see that I'm just going to go around and instead of YouTube channel, I'm just going to go around and YouTube channel, and then at the end I'm just going to go around and add in a text right here, YouTube channel named tutor tube right here. So I can just go around and edit this, as you can see, according to how I like it, and press the check mark in order to apply the change. So once you do that, the message will be changed, but others will be notified that the message is edited right here. So you can even see the time of the edit. So this means that others who might have already read your message, who may not find the last message, will know that the message they've read was edited and updated to this right here. And that is how you can edit out messages inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.